Thanks, Hazel.
Good morning.
Morning.
Your rig out there by the barbecue shack?
Yeah, it is.
Nice looking ride. Where are you headed today?
Place called Greenbush.
Oh, up by Roseau. I just come from up there, so what brings you up there today?
Supposed to pick up some wood stoves from Central Furnace or something.
Central Boiler.
That might be it. It's probably just a little welding shop out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, well, you might be surprised. It's not exactly a little welding shop.
You've seen one welding shop, you've seen them all.
Okay.
Howdy.
Hi there.
That's your rig out there, the green one?
Sure is, bought and paid for.
Nice looking.
Thank you.
Where you headed for?
We're here at Greenbush, Minnesota.
Sure. Thanks, Hazel. Just keep it.
Yeah, I guess they've got a small hometown welding shop up there. They make outdoor furnaces or something.
Central Boiler.
Yeah, that's it.
Have a nice trip.